Be careful with my stethoscope. I told you last night.
Why don't you listen to me first?
Okay, I'll listen to you first.
Okay.
No, wait. I put this on you, and then this is the end part.
Okay.
You put on your tummy and your back.
Okay, put it on me. What do you want me to do?
Not breathe. Just listen.
Okay.
Good.
What else do you want me to do?
I can hear you.
Okay, you can hear me. Okay.
I
Who are you?
don't hear you.
Are you a doctor?
Yes.
Who are you?
I don't know.
What is your name, doctor?
I'm just Luke.
You're just Luke. Okay, well that's very good.
Now you listen to me now.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay.
Remember, be careful with this part.
I'll be careful. I will be very careful with this part. Okay.
If you're up there and
Okay.
down here. This is the end part. You put down your tummy and your back. So you should listen to my tummy
Oh,
first.
yes, kind of loud.
Daddy.
Warming it up.
Cool. Put it on the surface.
Whoa, wow. Ooh, I hear a heartbeat. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of sounds like Jaws. Boom, 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 boom.
John.
Okay. Now breathe.
No, not
Okay.
me.
All right, very good. Thank you, Dr. Loki.
No, I'm not. You're Daddy.
I'm Dr. Daddy. You're Dr. Loki, okay?
No, I'm Zola.